Ja, hallo Leute, ich bin's Ingo Müller, Top 200 Mitglied bei Empower und Teamleader im Elite Team Europe. In diesem Video möchte ich euch den Ausschnitt aus dem Hangout von Ende September von David Wood zeigen, wo die neue Mobile App vorgestellt wird. Und das Tool, Leute, ich sag's euch, das ist wirklich der absolute Oberhammer. Da ist auch viel von dem Geld aus dem Launch der neuen Produkte reingeflossen und ich werde den Clip jetzt einfach mal abspielen und dann könnt ihr euch das Video in Ruhe anschauen. Wie auch die letzten Videos schon, ist der Clip auf Englisch, aber ich werde danach, wie auch die letzten Male, noch ein bisschen darauf eingehen, was in dieser App jetzt alles enthalten sein wird. Ciao Leute, bis gleich.
She's been building out this genius mobile app that you guys should be very excited about. We just want to take like 5 minutes to share it with you. And I was kind of stalling while she was over there trying to pull it up. But bottom line here is I'm going to go back over there, back behind the camera, and we'll bring David back on. He can talk you through some pretty exciting announcements we have about the event and some money-making opportunities for you guys. In the meantime, I'm going to let Kristen walk through this and just understand that here's my promise to everybody. I have my own successful company. Kristen and I run a fairly successful company. We've pretty much committed our entire team's time and energy and resources to working with David Wood. We're not people who work inside of Empower. We don't work in the field. We don't have any of those kind of interests. Bottom line is he's a good man. And we believe in him and we believe in his vision. And we actually decided between ourselves and between our team, where do we want to spend our time? It's here serving you guys and working with David. So I'm going to let Kristen kind of walk through it. I'll sit here for a second. Let you do your thing.
In case I fall over.
That's how nervous she is.
Yeah. Okay, so what's really cool about this is that the mobile app is designed to do two things. It's designed to make you money and make you money. So I'm not going to focus too much on all of the details that happen in the app. I know we'll be releasing it in Orlando, so you should probably get there. But I will show you some of the ways that you can prospect with this app. So what you're looking at right now is the actual login screen, and we will move down the page so that you can see it. This is the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your profile. You'll see the path to the ring, which is an accumulation of all of the money that you've made in your e-wallet since you joined Empower. The prospecting tools are right here. And then we have a really cool timed bonus section, which actually I think I'll let you explain when we get
so the
there.
idea here was this is actually one of Dave's genius ideas. The guy comes up with genius ideas on a regular basis, and on my end, we just try and kind of make them come to life. The idea here is this is a major prospecting tool. It's tuned in to tell when people are watching videos, when they're on certain landing pages, and then to alert you where they're at so that you can message them. And Kristen will go into that. But when somebody first signs up for the app, there's a timer that counts down and then rewards them for completing certain activities, like sharing a video with somebody or sending someone to a page. It depends on what the actual sort of bonus is. But the idea is to use urgency to get people to actually take action and to reward them for taking the action. So go ahead, Kristen.
Okay, so that's the dashboard. Now moving over here, this is a main navigation menu. It features my account, grow my team, hot list, which is really sexy, and the key info, like, support and to log out of your app. So as we move down the page here, let me show you, this is what your profile will look like. You'll actually have access to your Powerline sponsors' contact information, anyone that signed you up to be an affiliate. It'll be that person right there. And this is what that would look like. You'll also be able to see current ranks and how far away you are from your next rank. Here's a sneak peek at what those badges look like. They're sexy.
And rank, of course, some people are going like, "Hey, we don't have ranks. We're not Amway." We're adding ranks based on monetary checkpoints, as you can see there.
And then we also have the commission screen where you can actually see what your commissions are and everything that's like in the back office. Now this is where we get into the really fun stuff, which is to promote the bonuses. So like Mars said, we will be releasing timed bonuses so that you can earn whether it's videos, special prizes, it could be anything.
Enter into a contest to win a car, trip, whatever is associated with that particular prize and bonus and time structure. That's what would be there.
Yeah, and so what this is there's going to be several different bonuses that you can actually unlock by doing promotions. So these are what those screens look like, just to give you a sneak peek.
And the idea, and I guess we should really say this, is to blogging is a great methodology for duplicating long term. Like that's one of the things that I figured out. All those links stay out there forever and ever. And if you bring someone in and they blog, they do 5, 6, 10 blog posts that lead back into the funnel, it's a way for you to make money long term. This is sort of instant gratification duplication, meaning you can send somebody to this app, get them signed up for it, and right away they're duplicating instantaneously. So we're trying to sort of address both ends of the spectrum there.
So let me walk you through the promotion of this, because this is really how you're going to start generating more income. So let's say that you go to promote now, you click that. You actually have 3 different options within this app to promote. You have the ability to email, Facebook, and text prospects. I'm going to walk through this real quick. With email, this is actually Facebook. You see that fly? Yeah, it's trying to get me. It won't go away.
Our moment in the sun.
And I already have a hard time focusing, so yeah. It's like it keeps coming around. All right. So this is the Facebook. You would connect to Facebook. You would pick from your Facebook friends. You would select the language that you would like to talk to them in, and then you send them a message through Facebook. You get this, congratulations, you scored. So that's that, Facebook. For actually prospecting through, boy, there's a lot of them. Okay, this one here is an email prospect. So you go into your phone and you would select the people that you would like to prospect to. You would select the language that you want to send it to. You would select the video that we're actually promoting, and you would compose your email and then hit send via email, and now you've prospected via email through your mobile app. What's really cool, it's the same thing with text and everything else, but what's really sexy about this app, let me get down into it. If I can get there.
So while she's scrolling endlessly through this app, the thing that you probably notice is that a lot of time, energy, focus, and effort went into putting this together. These kinds of things don't develop themselves. I have an entire development team. What we do, Kristen and I have an entire development team, guys who sit here and build this kind of stuff out. And in order for the field at Empower to have an app like this, which is really something no other company has, it takes resources. And that's a reason why, I'm kind of one of the ones who advocated, Dave, let's be realistic. If your dream and your vision, and the guy's stuck on this, it's not like something he just says, he's living it, is to make, hundreds of millionaires. That takes thought, time, and resources, and the ability to focus. And in order to do that, it's kind of a counterintuitive idea, but in order to do that, you have to kind of hold something back so that you have something to put into that. And to me, that's the one thing that's been missing from Empower, because you guys have a kick-butt community. You have an awesome set of products, great leader. Just the only thing that's missing is an actual model that supports that. So I'm happy to see so many people have been supporting,
Absolutely. Yeah. So we were just in prospecting. What is really sexy about this app is as soon as you send out that message to your prospect, as soon as they click it to watch it, you get notified right in the app. It shows up right here under prospecting. So if you want to send them a text message right after that to follow up with them and see whether or not they're ready to join, you can definitely do that, and you'll be notified right through your app. The hot list section is actually very sexy as well. I know I spent a lot of time with this app. Marge says it's like it's my husband. So yeah, I'm married to it. So this feature, the news section, allows Empower Network to actually do push notifications to you. So if there's a new promotion coming up, if there's anything that you guys need to know about, your app will tell you. This is also where your prospecting tools or your prospecting views show up, is right here under the news section. So there's that, and then the last piece that I find very cool is the broadcast, if I can
She'll
find
get
it.
there eventually, folks.
Let me see if I can zoom out. This is taking, there we go. All right. Sorry.
Well, just tell them about it, Kristen.
Well, what's cool about it, it's right here, is that you can select the countries that you want to promote in. You can select the rank that you would like to promote to. You can select whether or not they own a product, or if they don't. So let's say that we want to promote the inner circle to a bunch of people that just have the viral blogging system. You can go in and click on this to select just the inner circle. You can type your broadcast message here, and then you can just send it out, and they'll get it right in their phone. So let's say that you wanted to do a live broadcast one night. You have the ability just to push that notification out to the people in your list. So that's pretty much a walkthrough of the mobile app.
Ja, hi Leute, willkommen zurück. Das ist ja wohl der absolute Wahnsinn, was da auf uns zukommt, oder? Also nur noch mal, um das kurz zusammenzufassen, was ihr in dem Clip gerade gesehen habt. Mit dieser neuen App wird es einen Timer geben. Wenn ihr jemanden eingeladen habt, hat er eine gewisse Zeit, um bestimmte Videos anzugucken, bestimmte Aufgaben quasi zu erledigen, um dann Bonusinhalte freizuschalten. Wenn ihr die App verschickt habt und jemand guckt sich das Video an, bekommt ihr eine Nachricht, an welchem Teil der App derjenige, der Interessent ist. Ihr könnt sprachenspezifische, also ihr könnt eine Nachricht in Deutsch schreiben, die dann in verschiedenen Sprachen verschicken. Also Funktionen ohne Ende. Es wird Ränge geben innerhalb von Empower, die sich auf euer Einkommen beziehen, je nachdem wie viel ihr verdient habt. Ihr könnt sehen, wie weit ist es noch bis zum Millionen-Dollar-Ring. Wie weit seid ihr schon gekommen vom Einkommen her. Und es wird noch viele, viele weitere Funktionen geben. Ihr könnt per E-Mail einladen, ihr könnt über Facebook einladen, ihr könnt über SMS Leute zu dieser App einladen. Und dieses Tool wird einfach die Geschwindigkeit in den Sponsormöglichkeiten um einiges erhöhen. Und ich freue mich riesig drauf, denn ich werde sie als einer der ersten testen dürfen und bekommen. Und ja, alle, die leider nicht mit nach Orlando kommen werden. Und das ist wirklich schade für euch, kann ich euch nur sagen. Ich war auf den letzten beiden Empower-Events und das ist der absolute Hammer, was da abgeht. Allein die Energie von ein paar tausend Leuten, die alle die gleiche Vision haben, ist der absolute Wahnsinn. Also wer es irgendwie einrichten kann, sollte wirklich mit nach Orlando kommen. Und jeder, der es nicht schafft, der sollte unbedingt die Möglichkeit nutzen und den Livestream zum Event buchen. Also Leute, bucht euer Ticket entweder live vor Ort oder im Livestream und seid einfach mit dabei, wenn Empower Network zum wiederholten Male Geschichte schreiben wird. Ich wünsche dir oder euch auf jeden Fall immer maximalen Erfolg in deinem oder eurem Geschäft, je nachdem. Und das war's für heute. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Euer Ingo. Ciao.